Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Telegram wallet account. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to your home page. Here, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and your account settings will open up. Next, tap on the wallet feature at the top and your Telegram wallet will launch. Inside it, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. A new menu will appear. From this menu, select Remove from Menu and tap on OK to confirm the decision. Note that this action will remove the Telegram wallet from your account completely. So that's basically how you can delete your Telegram wallet account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.